At first draw a rectangle. For this, place I'll enter and give the length, suppose 30, enter in this direction, 20, enter in this direction, 30, enter, and click on this point, this escape. Now you can also draw a rectangle by using polyline. For this, click on this command, or simply you can type P O L Y polyline, POL for polyline, POLY polyline, enter. Now click on this and specify length 30, enter. For this selection 40, suppose, enter, and 30, enter, and simply click on this point and now escape. Now to increase the length of this rectangle, just click on this and click on this point and specify the length to be increased, suppose 10, and enter. On this direction, you can click on this point and you can increase inward or outward this length. For this, suppose we have to decrease the length of this line. For this, just specify the length, suppose 10, and enter, like this. Now that's fit for polyline. And now to convert the rectangle made by normal line, at first we have to join all the lines and create like it polyline. For this, enter a command, J for join, enter, and select this object, enter. Now press enter. Now this rectangle behaves like polyline. And simply for this rectangle also you have to click on this and click on this point, specify the length, suppose 20, enter, and for this direction click on this point and specify the length 10. That's it. I hope you all guys understand to increase the length of rectangle.